di ocha makechi onye bukwo n'anya kanya di ocha makechi niile ọbụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị biko fichapụnya maka ndụ gị ka iwepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọrọ aka mmadụ gaa na-ekwu a na-etekakwa onye megbukwo n'anya kanya di ocha ị na-anụ ikonye ji manyelu mmadụ ibenya ka ga-eji manyelu nya whatever you sow you shall reap. Change your lifestyle for better. Destiny, destiny. My destiny.
My child, I wish I could help you, but I'm helpless. I am helpless. It grieves me to let go of you, but death awaits you in my bosom. They call you an evil child, but I call you solution. Let he that formed you protect you. Goodbye, my child. Goodbye.
Onye mebu n'anya kanya di ocha makechi onye bukwo n'anya kanya di ocha makechi niile ọbụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị biko fichapụnya maka ndụ gị ka iwepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọrọ aka mmadụ gaa na-ekwu a na-etekakwa onye megbukwo n'anya kanya di ocha ị na-anụ ikonye ji manyelu mmadụ ibenya ka ga-eji manyelu nya whatever you sow you shall reap. Change your lifestyle.
We didn't see anybody. They were searched everywhere, we didn't see him. Are you sure? Yes. That's him. That's him. We have come to destroy the evil seed you and your household planted in Umago.
I have no evil seed.
Ah! You and your family have brought shame upon this land, and you shall pay with your blood. Ah! Let's go.
This is very risky. Let's go back. We are walking on a dangerous zone, you know.
Eh? Come on, Ago, don't be superstitious.
I am not, my prince. Your father, Igwe Akubeze, will kill me if any harm should come to you.
Ago, would you shut up and let's live this moment? What is wrong with you? Huh? How dare you question my authority?
I'm sorry.
Do you know what royalty means?
Number.
Prince. I am royalty.
Yes, you are.
So you better get that into your head.
Yes,
now let's live this moment.
Yes, my prince.
Idiot. Ago. Ima na ade mi en.
Ade me.
Itu tayo phone wa ge.
Odalanya.
Onye bukwo n'anya kanya di ocha makechi niile ọbụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị biko fichapụnya maka ndụ gị ka iwepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọrọ aka mmadụ gaa na-ekwu a na-etekakwa onye megbukwo n'anya kanya di ocha ị na-anụ ikonye ji manyelu mmadụ ibenya ka ga-eji manyelu nya whatever you sow you shall reap. Change your lifestyle oh better. Destiny, destiny. My destiny, my destiny. Akalaka njebio wamu. Onye chimele se kapuese. Onye bukwana wane ya nuwa manche. Ife delu edegonya. Nuwa o, nuwa o.
Ago, I'm tired.
Well, I told you earlier, my prince. Let's go back. Now we are in the middle of nowhere.
Lily livered. In as much as I'm tired, Ago, I'm still enjoying the whole scenario. Why are you not enjoying it?
If you say so, my prince, I'm enjoying it.
So I suggest we proceed.
Makanade meme.
Makanade meme. I go back to Kueba. Let's just relax for So what were you trying to tell me before?
My prince, I was only afraid of your father. Igwakubeze. I hope he will not be angry with us.
My father cannot do anything. You should realize that I'm the prince of Uja Kingdom. If I'm not some kind of...
Makanade meme, my prince.
Who are you?
I repeat, what are you people doing here? Who are you?
Who are you and where are you from?
You don't need to know.
What do you want?
You want to fight me? You want to fight me?
I said, what do you want?
Okenta, hold this for me.
Ago, go see fight people, Ago.
Who am I is the leader here? Show yourself.
Show them
you the leader. I am the leader.
One name of Badi Rama, Onaga Sakubodo. If I couldn't make no bodo danger, okay, you better maybe see, maybe don't see. Onye follow one year no number. Ya be konye lonyaka, onye makwanisi kechieze chia. I love your neighbor as you love yourself. No more boundaries, no more troubles. Yeah, Kaibiri Nudo.
It's like that past.
Ago, we gotta go.
Ndo, ane menke me.
Ago,
see my best, my bed. Come.
My boss, my prince.
Onye malife gesokunu asim yeme kwaniya onye mechio echi dime onye mife chigamu ai kai walunu dobili yani di notu makana ijabu wanne ofu obala no felu ife gina wanne gejena no rabi bubara yebo makosita ni mama odi banu ije no abo wayo wayo osoye love your neighbor. Somewhere, one name of Badirama, on Nagasafu Bodo. If I could name no Bodo danger, I'll get you the Bodo, maybe see, maybe don't see. On your fellow 1 year no number, Yabico, Yaka, on your Mapanisi, get you.
I'm sorry, my prince, we're too now.
Amadio. No, I can't take this. I can't take. Where's my staff? Where's my staff? I can't find my staff again. Where's my staff? Agu, where's my staff? Oh, no. Me, Prince Ikedi. Prince Ikedi of Uja Kingdom, be humiliated like this. I will not take that. It is totally unacceptable. And you know it. Yes, I know. It is totally unacceptable. And you know it. Agu. Oh, no. Mba, just look at me. Just take a good look at me. A prince that I am, being treated like a commoner. And you stand there and go and look at me like this. Oh, no, Mba, if you may go. You know what I'm talking about? What did I say? Mba, no. I will not take this. I said I will not take this. Mba, no.
How dare you lead my son to be killed by those barbarians? Agu, I trusted you. That is why I made you his personal guard, because he's very unstable. Have you grown so weak and useless that you cannot take care of him?
I am sorry, my king. It won't happen again, my king.
What? Get out of here this minute. I said, get out of my presence now. I said, get out here. Out.
Point of correction, father. It's not his fault. I can take care of myself. I mean, I don't know why you keep looking at me like I'm a child. Father, you needed to see the way I ran. I think I can go for running competition.
Ikedi,
Father.
Get inside now.
Father, what?
I said go in. Yes, Lord.
Father.
Hey, wait. Where is your staff of service? The people of Fumago have beaten more than their mouth can take in. They made an attempt on the life of my son, Prince Ikedi here. As if that is not enough, they seized his staff of office, without which he is irrelevant and inconsequential in the royal household and in this kingdom as a whole.
I don't understand you, Father. I don't at all. I mean, what's the big deal about a calf steak? If you ask me, Father, I think it's overrated.
Oh, it is not, my prince. It is not overrated. That thing you refer to as so-called calf steak is your only access to the throne of your father. Yes. In case you don't know.
Meaning?
Meaning, if it is not recovered in earnest, you will forfeit your place as the prince of this land. Tell him. And in addition to that, you would live as a commoner.
Hell no. Hell no, Father. Hell no. I can't stand to be a commoner. It's not negotiable. I mean, what are we waiting for? Let's all invade Umuago and retrieve my staff of office. It's totally unacceptable, Father. I can't be a commoner. Yes.
Ikedi, my son, you fetch an ant-infected firewood Then, you even invited their trouble. Leave us now. I said leave us for now.
Father, you and I know it's not good for my health. I can't stand to be a commoner, I can't. Father, take note, I can't stand to be a commoner. I can't.
My people. Hold it right there. Who are you and what is your mission here?
We are emissary from Uja Kingdom, and we come in peace. We have a very urgent message from Igwe Akobweze the 6th of Uja Kingdom to Igwe Dikeh of Umuago Kingdom.
I see. Search them.
Like I said, we come in peace.
You may come with me.
Gidi, somewhere. One name of Badirama, Onaga Safobodo. If we're gonna.
Igwe Katasi Igwe. The handmaid of the gods. My father, I come before you with your favorite bushmeat, prepared just the way you like it.
I see. My son Odenibo. What could I have done without you?
Wait. Let me see my king.
Trophy dear.
Thank you, Father.
You can sit down.
My king, may you live long. Emissary from Uja Kingdom. He wants to have a word with you.
What for?
I wouldn't know, my king.
Let him in.
As it pleases, my king. You may now go now.
Denibo.
Father.
Keep the bush meat. Ask Madoka and Kenga to come in.
Okay, Father.
Onye bupo n'anya tanya dị ọcha maka echi niile. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị, biko fichapụ ya maka ndụ gị. Ka ị wepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọrọ aka mmadụ ka a na-ekwu a na-etekakwa.
Odenibo, what are you doing here? Don't you have anything reasonable to do inside? Get out.
I asked Odenibo to stay.
My king, Odenibo should not be here while we deliberate. The butterfly should not see itself as a bird just because it has gotten some perishable wings that cannot stand the test of times.
Ikenga, Odenibo has washed his hands clean. And as such, he dines with elders.
But my king, Odenibo is still a child. But my king...
That's okay. Young man, what brings you to my kingdom?
Igwe, I bring you greetings from Igwe Akobweze the 6th of Uja Kingdom. I have come to let you know that you have something in your possession that belongs to us. And we need it so urgently because its disappearance spells doom in our kingdom.
I see. Igwe Dikeh owes no man nothing.
Igwe, your men attacked Prince Ikedi Akobweze. As if that was not enough, they still made away with the staff of office. And you are aware of it.
Your prince trespassed on our land. You all are aware of the hostility towards trespassers. But for your missing staff, we do not know anything about it.
Oh, Igwe, we have it on good account that the missing staff of office is in your kingdom. And our relationship with the people of Omuago has never been cordial right from time, and you know it. And Igwe Akobweze wouldn't want to be dead into doing something rash to get it back from you.
Young man, if you're not sent here as a misery, I would have taken off your head. You heard me? You heard me? Good. Tell your king his challenge is welcome. Now!
Get out! Out! Guards! Take him away!
You don't need to know. Oh, you don't want me to catch you, Abby? You thought I would catch you,
You caught me.
Yeah, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
You know, I'm always happy whenever I'm with you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm happy too.
You sure you're happy whenever you're with me?
Sure. Okay.
So, how is everyone in your house?
Everybody's fine.
Yeah, no problem. So after here, when are we going to see again?
This is so soon.
Love your neighbor. Giddy, so where? One name of Badirama, on Nagasafu Bodo. If we're gonna make no Bodo danger, I'll get you the Bodo, maybe see, maybe don't see. On your fellow 1 year no number, you be going your Lonyaka, on your Mapanisi get you I love your neighbor as you love yourself. No more boundaries, no more.
Greetings, Father.
Who is that girl I saw you with?
Who? Oh! Her name is Akudo.
Daughter of a nobody. A peasant. A commoner. Hi. Is that what you have reduced yourself to? Son of Ikenga. Mixing up with maidens with no names?
But Father, she has a name.
What name? Obi, what name am I talking about? How many lands does her father have? How many barns does he have? How many cattle? I thought by now you should be reasonable enough to attract or even convert women that will bring more wealth and glory to this house, and not bringing in moth to break into my stone rooms. Obi, I won't allow you bring shame to me. I won't allow you bring shame to me.
I don't understand all these things you are saying. Which one is every time you will be disturbing somebody in this house?
Huh?
You mean Dikeh threw you out of his palace and asked me to do my worst?
Igwe, I have never seen a king this hostile in the whole of my life. I have never.
Obase, tell the town crier to sound the ikoro. Gather all the warriors and strong men of this kingdom. At dawn, we shall invade Umago to retrieve the staff. We will take Dikeh and his people captives into this land. My silence has been mistaken for cowardice.
As it pleases my king.
Go now.
Love your neighbor.
You sent for me, my princess.
Where have you been?
I've been in the king's chamber, making his bed.
Come and massage me.
My Princess?
You heard me. Come quickly. Go down to my waistline.
My princess, I can't.
Why?
It's abominable for anybody to touch the waist of the princess of Umuago. My head may not live long enough on my shoulder to tell the story.
It's my waist, and I choose to do whatever I want with it. Now I command you to rub my waist.
I can't do it, my princess.
Odenibo! Odenibo! Come back here!
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my daughter. I hope you slept well.
Yes, Mama, I did. I want to go and get water from the stream.
Better hasten up and come back. We have to go to the farm to harvest our cassava. Oh,
I will, Mama.
Oh,
Mama.
My sisters, it's going to be a tug of war between Uja and Umuago. Look, today, if Umuago does not provide the printing staff of office in their possession, Uja will show them the stuff they are made of. Yes.
The fact is that Umuago stole from us.
Yes.
But pride won't let them own up to it.
Yes. Whether they own up to it or not, we are going to tell them that we are superior to them. Yes. Finish them now. Who are they? Well done. What can they do? Who are they? I know. We will show them. We will show them what the stuff we're made of.
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny. Akalaka njebio akalaka me wero pichamacha ifechi.
Why is the water looking so dirty today? I hope it gets settled before I get home.
You all know me. I am a man of peace. But I can't continue to allow the enemy, our enemies, take undue advantage of us.
Not at all.
Just because I love peace. Umuago people have beaten more than their mouth can chew and risk their teeth being pulled out. Umuago has our royal artifact. The binds no era pivoja choma muyaloro. We are born warriors and never lost a battle.
Yes.
Go with all the warriors. Invade Umuago. Kill anything that stands your way. Take Umuago captive and come back with all the spoil therein. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Igwe. So shall it be.
You may now go and come back victorious.
Igwe, may you live long. Because, Igwe, that which you seek is not in Umuagu kingdom.
What do you mean, woman?
My daughter went to the stream this morning, and then when she came back,
Look at what I saw in the water I just fetched from the stream.
Have you seen what your carelessness almost cost us? We were at the verge of making Umuagu our eternal enemies. Irresponsibility is a clear sign of immaturity. If you must lead the people of Uja Kingdom, you must learn how to be responsible.
Take it easy on him, my lord. He is only a child. He will learn when he grows up. Please.
A child? Learn when he grows? Now I see why he has refused to grow. You feed him with lies and fantasies. Do you see yourself as a child? Even with beards all over your face. Let me tell you, you owe that girl an eternal gratitude. Go to her. Let me see how responsible you can be.
I've heard you, Father. I'll do as you instructed. Long live your highness.
It's okay, my son.
My lord, please take it easy on him. He's only a child, please. Please.
I just hope so.
How dare you disobey and walk out on me?
I'm sorry, but I did what was necessary. I don't want the wrath of your father, my father, to befall me. We are family.
We are not family. My father is not your father.
He has raised me like his. He calls me son. I don't want to do anything to destroy that bond.
Get out of my sight. Get out!
So you are the papa that saved me today. Prince Ikedi's life saved by a pauper. Don't you think that would be an absurd paper headline? Now tell me, how do I pay you? Okay, I got it. I want to make an offer to you, such that you won't refuse. I mean, no girl. I repeat, no girl in this village will refuse such a rare offer. After all, my dad said I should take responsibility. And that's what I'm about to do right now. I want to make you my bride. And I know you won't say no to that. Did she just walk out on me?
My daughter, what went wrong at the meeting? Everything went wrong, Mama. Everything.
What is it?
Can you imagine the prince making me an offer?
What kind of offer?
Marriage offer.
Hey, what did you tell him?
Now, what was I supposed to tell him? I walked out on him. Why? Makaginisi? Why would you be asking me why? That prince is so arrogant. He is so full of himself. I don't even know what he thinks he is. He does not have respect for women, Mama. Besides, it's not like he proposed to marry me. He just made an offer.
Do you know he's a prince?
He's a prince, so... Well, better hurry up and come and help me here.
They've just said yes, yes.
Mother, can you imagine that girl walked out of me? Why? Why would she do that to me? Huh?
That girl doesn't strike me like one who will do a thing like that if you didn't make a provocative statement.
Oh, Mother, I only made an offer to her and I thought she wouldn't refuse. So why would she do that to me? Does she realize who I am in this kingdom? I can't take that, Mother. I can't take that.
She is a woman, not a property. Get down from your high horse and do the right thing.
Mother, I'm surprised you're saying this. I am surprised you're saying this, Mother. I am surprised at you.
Where are you off to this early?
I'm going to check my trap. I dreamt it caught a big antelope, the king's delight.
I see. Be quick about it. I'll have you do something for me.
Okay, my princess. I'll be back soon.
Makechi, onye bupo n'anya kanya dị ọcha Makechi niile Apụlụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị biko fichapụ ya maka ndụ gị ka ị wepụ aka enwe
Chimo, Chimo, ma Chimo
What happened? Huh?
Snake!
Snake bit you? It's alright, okay? It's okay. Where are you from?
Woke's compound.
Woke's compound. Okay, this will stop the venom from spreading. I'll take you to Woke's compound right away so you can get proper treatment. Come. Sorry.
What are you doing here?
You're welcome, Prince.
Thank you.
Did you miss your way? Because this place does not look like where Prince Ikedi visits.
Well, you're right anyway. You've got to be very special to have me do that for you. Now, if you don't mind, take a walk with me.
Huh?
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny. Akalaka njebio akalaka me wero ficha mancha. Ife chipulu opunya gemelele. Isi chitu yelungo bugo ya. Onye chido belundu gadelele yo. Ifumu wane mezi bamansio. Destiny, destiny. Akalake weron ficha. My destiny, my destiny. Akalake weron ficha. Akalaka njebio wamu. Akalake weron ficha. Onye chimele se gabuese. Akalake weron ficha. Onye bukwana wane ya no wakanche. Ife delo edegonya akalake weron ficha. Nuwa o, akalake weron ficha. Akalake weron ficha. Hey mama, ugu hey mama. Hey mama, ugu hey mama. Hey mama, ugu hey mama. Onye mebu n'anya kanya dị ọcha maka echi. Onye bupụ n'anya kanya dị ọcha maka echi niile. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị, biko fichapụ ya.
Uju!
Where is your Denibo?
I didn't see him. Is that a problem, my princess?
What sort of stupid question is that? I will get out of my sight! Get out!
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny.
Yes, we had a rough start. I sincerely want to apologize for what happened the other time. You know I'm a man. A full-grown man at that, and then I never believed any woman on this earth could save my life. But you did, and I owe you a lot.
No, you don't.
No, I do. I do. Let's have a fresh start, friends. So now tell me, what are you up to today? Like what and what would you be doing today?
I'll go back home and take care of my mother.
So I was thinking you'll go to the stream first.
I'll go there afterwards.
It's nice. It's good. All right, then let's see what happens. I think I have some special for you. Some special for you.
Good day, my father.
Adomwago, Adaniliukwano, Urinia. You look downcast. What grieves you, my daughter?
Father, have you seen Odenibo?
I see. Love of a sister to a brother. That is wonderful. Don't worry, soon be home.
Father, you don't seem to be worried.
Why should I? Odenibo is a man I've trained to be a warrior. And I'm sure he can take care of himself wherever he is. Besides, I think it's time for him to bring a maiden to this house.
What? Father! Father, how can you say that? I mean, Odenibo is still a small boy.
Small boy? A man I trained to be a warrior? Don't forget, he's your elder brother.
Father, I beg to take my leave.
Okay.
Am I alive?
Yes, you are alive. You could have been dead if I didn't arrive there on time.
Thank you for saving my life.
Thank the gods. Get up. Take a gulp of this. It will make you get better quickly. It's okay. Repeat same later at night, okay?
I'm grateful.
It's okay.
What is your name?
My name is Odenibo.
I am Ogonna. Thank you, Odenibo. Thank you.
Sorry, Ogonna. It's just a stink. Sorry, you'll be good. Sorry. Okay? Don't worry, in no time you'll be fine. You just remember to take this later in the day. Alright. I have to run along now. It's getting late and Igwe will be expecting me. I'm glad I was able to help. I will come first thing at dawn to come and check up on you.
I'm grateful. May the gods be with you.
And also with you.
After all you have said, you still have not given me enough reason for coming back late.
My princess, someone was at the point of death, so I had to save her.
I don't care if you have to save the entire Omago. My needs come first.
My princess, I've searched everywhere but I couldn't find him.
So Denebo has grown so much wings. I will clip those wings of his. Nobody defies my orders. Not even Odenebo.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
Your healing hands made me strong. You're greater than the greatest Dibia in Omago Kingdom. How did you learn all that?
I don't know honestly. I just grew up and discovered I had the gift. The king is always strong because of the roots and herbs I make for him.
I agree. I can testify to that.
Thank you. So tell me, do you stay here alone? Where are your parents?
They are dead.
Oh.
I'm a lone wolf.
Sorry about that. What happened to them? Sorry if I'm about to wake up long dead and forgotten memories. It's okay.
I'm not in the mood to talk about the tragedy that led to their death.
Anytime you want to. Take your time.
Okay. I made something you like. Let me get it for you.
Okay.
Greetings, Omezoe Ikenga.
Greetings to you.
Greetings.
Ndewon. Enter to the king. I hope he's in.
No, he's not.
Where did he go?
He went out with Odenibo.
Which Odenibo?
The Odenibo, you know.
Odenibo.
This one standing over.
Yes, there are 4 of them. You can count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah, this big? Yes. Oh, yo! It's the crown.
Oh. So it stretches all the way from this point
down
to that
beyond
end.
No, down beyond the stream.
And beyond that stream?
Yes. Oh. My son, it's all yours.
Father, I never knew about this. I don't know.
That's one of the reasons I brought you here to know.
Thank you, Father.
Okay,
thank you for showing me all of this.
It's okay, my son. It's okay.
Oh, so this much land belongs to you. How come they are never cultivated?
We have a lot of vast lands. No, they're all virgin lands. We have a lot.
You know, I used to think it was only those ones we had at the Omago and the farm.
No, there are a lot. I will show you more. Not only this, I will show you more.
Thank you, Father.
Family.
Onye malife ga-esokunu asị m ya emekwani ya onye mechi o echi dị ime onye m ife chi ga-amụ ka anyị nwere n'udo biri ya na ịdị n'otu maka na ije bụ nwanne ofu ọbara na ofu elili ife gị na nwanne gị je na anụ rapụ igbukwara ya egbuo maka osite adịba mma.
My son, you have been distracted recently. Is something I should know?
I'm sorry, Father.
No, don't worry, my son. I'm not angry with you. Who is she?
Your Highness?
My son, there are 2 types of hunting men go for. Hunting for meat and hunting for women.
Father,
Don't worry, my son. Tell her she's welcome to my palace. You can bring her home. We are growing up, don't worry.
Good afternoon, Princess. I have something to...
If you have anything to say, make it quick. I don't have the patience for this.
I know it's not my business, but I heard the guys discussing that Odin will soon get married.
What? Who told you that?
I heard that the king, your father, asked Odin to bring her to the palace.
Who is she?
I don't know, my princess.
Find out immediately and get us back to me. Go.
Yes, my princess.
Wow! You dance very well. You know, it takes a lot of practice to do this kind of dance.
Thank you. It makes me so happy each time I dance. Thank you so much for giving me back my happiness. For the first time in my life, I feel I found a true friend in you. Thank you.
You deserve to be happy. And I will do everything in this world to make you happy. No, now. Don't do this. No. See, I'll always be here for you, okay? I just promised you I'll make you happy. Okay? You don't have to cry, please. Look at me. Now smile for me. That's how I want to always see you. Happy, okay?
Sing for me, Ma. I want to dance.
You want to dance more? Okay, let's go.
You mean you saw them cuddling each other?
Yes, my princess.
What does she look like? Is she more beautiful than me? Speak! I said speak now!
Yes, she is.
How beautiful is she?
Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
And I ask you again, is she more beautiful than me?
No, my princess.
Huh. You're lying. I can see it in your eyes. You think she's more beautiful than me, right?
No, my princess.
Get out. Get out!
My princess.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
You went to see her, right? She's the reason you have been avoiding me.
Ogonna is just a friend in need and I'm trying to help her out.
Oh, shut up. That's how you men lie. So tell me, is she more beautiful than I am?
No, don't say that.
Then why do you prefer her?
Princess, you are my sister.
I am not your sister. You hear me? I am not your sister. Now I want you to stay away from her. Stay clear from her. You hear me? It's not a wish. It's a command.
Nine. You look worried. What is the problem? Hey, my husband.
Ori, where is your son?
My son?
Yes, your son.
He went out.
Went out?
Yes.
With that daughter of a nobody? Son of a noble. Going out with daughter of a nobody. That is not a comfortable mix.
Nine. Is that why you're worried?
Is that not enough? You better talk senses into him. Otherwise, I will cut him off.
Nanya, I will.
You better do.
I will.
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny.
No one stands in my way of happiness. nobody takes what belongs to Ada Umuago, daughter of Dikeh, I will deal with Ogonna.
She said you should come to the stream urgently.
Who?
Ogonna.
Ogonna?
Yes.
Is she alright?
She's alright. Just come with me. Just come.
Ogonna?
Yes.
Are you sure she's okay?
She's okay. She's okay. Just come.
Ogonna! 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 Ogonna, who did this to you? Ogonna, can you hear me? Ogonna, who did this to you now? Can you hear me? Who? Talk, I can hear you. Who did this to you? Talk now, talk. Who did this to you, Ogonna? Ogonna? Who? Ogonna, you? Ogonna? Ogonna! Hey! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Ogonna, you cannot do this now. You can't die like that. Thank you. Come and help me, Kari. I don't know what happened to her.
What is going on here, Odenibo? What have you done to this poor girl? You killed her?
No! I came in here and then I saw her like this and someone told me on the way that she was...
Yes, you did. Even must hear this.
No, don't go and bear false witness. Listen to me. I did not kill her. Wait, don't go and lie against me. Ogonna, tell them I did not do this to you. Ogonna! Ogonna! Ogonna, wake up and talk now. Hey! Umuago, Ogonna, you cannot put me in trouble now. Can I tell them I did not do this to you now? Ogonna! Ogonna!
Igwe, the youths of the village brought Odenibo. They said he raped and killed a girl called Ogonna.
What?
It's not true. Odenibo,
did you do it?
Father, I didn't do it. They are accusing me wrongly. I did not do anything of such. I met her dead when I got to that point. I swear by the gods, I did not do it, Father. You know me, you know your son. Believe me, I did not.
Oh, you shut up. I don't believe this. When will you start believing?
Then why would the youth lie against you?
I don't know. I don't know why they lie against me this way. I do not know.
Ask him that question over and over. Ask him again.
Odenibo. Guards, take him away.
Hey!
Lock him up into the cell. No food, no water.
I am telling you, I did not do this. Can't you trust me as your son? I did not do what I've been accused of.
When I was saying it, you said I was mad. This is just the beginning.
He is guilty as alleged. He did commit the atrocity.
Didn't I say it? Mouthpiece of the gods. Are you sure about this?
The gods do not lie. Igwe, you must do what is required of you.
Oh.
Justice must be done.
When I said it, you people thought I was lying. Now you've heard it from...
How will I
be? He's a Dibia. Why?
Maduka, what are you saying? That young man is my only son. How do you expect me to turn my back on him?
Igwe, you are the lion of Umuago and cannot be seen as a weakling. The people want justice. And the spirit of the dead girl wants justice. Or do you want to be seen as a leader who turns his back on justice when a member of his household commits an abomination? No. Justice must run its full course. Igwe, do the right thing.
Open that door. Go in there and bring him out. Move it, I said. Come out here. Move. Where you take him? Move it. Let's take him to the king. Move it.
Odenibo, why? Why did you do it? You brought disgrace and shame to my name and the entire kingdom. If you had needed a handful of beautiful women, all you could have done was to ask.
Father, you know me very well. You raised me as your son. I could never do a thing like that. I can't.
Oh, shut up. But the chief priest, the mouth of the gods pronounced you guilty.
We were all there.
But you lied to me. You betrayed the confidence, the trust, and the love I have for you. Everyone here wants you killed, but I will not have you killed. Let fate decide what becomes of you. But the power confined on me, as the Dikeh of Umago Kingdom, I hereby banish you for life.
Igwe! May your reigns be long. I know you are a good man with a good heart. Other Igwes would have just ordered his execution.
I beg you, my father, my king, my lord, don't do this to me. I'm innocent.
I don't want to see you again. Guards, Igwe, take him away.
May the gods have pity on you.
What? Let's go here.
Yes. This is the boundary between Umago and Oja village. You are not to return in this life or in life to come. Do you hear me? Oh yeah. Let's get out of here. Move it. Move it here. Let's go. Move it. Stop.
Yeah.
My daughter, why do you cry?
Father, I'm not crying.
You cry because of him?
Father, I took him as my own brother. I didn't know that he could do a thing like that.
It breaks my heart too. But the name Odenigbo is forbidden in this palace and entire Umago kingdom. Don't ever cry or pity evil. You heard me?
Mama, eat now. At least say something. Let me know you can hear me, Mama. You've not eaten anything since you won't say anything. Mama, don't do this to me, Bikonu. Don't do this to me. I don't have any other person. No one to give Bikonu. Eat. Mama, eat now. You've not eaten anything since. I don't even have money to take you to any herbal home. Mama, please eat before you die on me, Bikonu. Hey, Mama, Bikonu. Hey. Mama.
Onye mebuna nyakanya diota Makechi. Onye bupona nyakanya diota Makechi. Apolo ni na twale Ifo to no bigi Bikovi.
Yes? Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the prince.
You? Looking for the prince? Like this? Now for the last time, who are you looking for?
I'm here to... I want to see Prince Ikedi.
Well, I'm sorry. Prince Ikedi is fast asleep and wouldn't want to be disturbed.
Please, tell him it's Akugo, please. Tell him Akugo wants to see him. It's an emergency, it's very important, please.
The prince gave a standing order. Or do you want me to lose my job? I'm sure you don't want that. So please, go. Go.
Mama, you're still like that. You don't want to eat. You won't talk to me. You won't do anything. What do you want me to do now? I don't know what to do again, Mama. I don't know what you want me to do. Lenny, you won't eat. Hey, Mama. Mama, please now. Eat even if it's a bite. Or you say something. Let me know you can hear me. I don't know what to do. Hi.
You and your king are not yet tired of poking your hands into my eyes. The other time you attempted the life of my son, Prince Ikedi here, which you claimed he trespassed into your land. You are not afraid, you. You came into my kingdom and killed my best hunter. Now tell me, did he trespass into your land?
Hi.
Igwe.
Oh, shut up. You don't talk when Igwe Akubweze is talking. You don't.
I have taken so many nonsense from Igwe Dikeh. This I will not take.
Yes.
Guards, Igwe, take him to the village square. Stone him to death.
Igwe, please.
That is my judgment.
Igwe! I didn't do what... Igwe, I beg you. I didn't do it.